Bootstrapping and resampling is a very powerful method. But the difficulty is that confidence intervals can all be slightly different, and MathXL has not been programmed for all the many infinite answers that are out there. As a result, some of your answers are going to be marked incorrectly for the Bootstrap homework assignment, and I apologize for that. I will manually go back in and review your answers. This is how you would go through and create a confidence interval with the bootstrapping resampling method. So you would click to copy to table, and once you have your information, you'll copy it over into StatCrunch. Now you're going to go to statistics, you'll go to resample and statistic. You'll click your variable 1. Down under statistic, you want to type mean, parenthesis, quotation, variable 1. It's important to have those quotations because if you had decided to relabel your first column and you have any spaces in there, the programmer needs to be able to interpret all of this as a name. And if you have a space in there, then the program just doesn't know how to interpret it. So make sure you have quotations around variable 1, which means it's coming from column 1. All right, from there, we're going to use Bootstrap with replacement. We're going to use univariate data. We're going to take, I believe, 200 samples. Yep. And I'm not going to have a histogram or a QQ plot created. I only want to know the bottom left, top right, confidence intervals for 95%. So my bottom would be 2.5% and my top is 97.5%. I hit compute. And here is my lower limit. It is 1181.1 and 2426.35. If I go back over to MathXL, I see it says type to the nearest whole number. And you'll see that as I type these in and then I check my answer, it will mark it incorrect. And I've done everything correctly. It's just that MathXL has not been programmed for all the different answers that can be out there. I will overwrite that, but I do need you to do the assignment and then get your answer wrong, so you can move on to the second part of the question if there is one. Sometimes there's a second part here asking you to compare two different intervals. All right, thanks for your attention, and I hope that helped.